Relayed these details to Hanley. As court snapped images, he took note of a bearded man with short black hair who climbed out of the minivan. He appeared to be in his 30s, and court thought there was something slightly familiar about him. Slowly, he held the camera out for Hightower. Boss? Zach noted the tone of his subordinate. Wait one, Rooster. Zach took the camera and handed the phone off to Court to hold. Court relayed these details to Hanley. As Court snapped images, he took note of a bearded man with short black hair who climbed out of the minivan. He appeared to be in his 30s, and Court thought there was something slightly familiar about him. Slowly, he held the camera out for Hightower. Boss? Zach noted the tone of his subordinate. Wait one, Rooster. Zach took the camera and handed the phone off to Court to hold. Court said, "The red minibus is just in front of it. One of the guys who got out. White shirt."
Oh my god. Yelping it and just being like, don't go here, it's really bad.
Yep. January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is the time that you put the evil eye in the brighter side, but the fantasy of getting married, weird, scary. March got you already second guessing title. April.
But I love you, and we'll see you at home.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, that took a long time. So here's your card back. You're suspended. Okay, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm letting you drive off. Unsuccessful. Going for another one.
there's been a lot of significance in terms of, as you mentioned before, you've got some races currently in the Tour Down Under, they've raced internationally. How important has it been to make platforms like this more accessible for women so that they can potentially become professional?
It's really important. You know, it's an intimidating sport, and there's not a ton of opportunity to show what you can do and to be seen by the scouts and coaches that might give you that opportunity to make a career out of it. So with a virtual global platform, we run a yearly competition at the game where you really can show what you can do on a bike that hit your biggest performance numbers, and our coaches will see if you have what it takes to be a pro.
And we touched on the Tour Down Under. We saw some great results for the Australian. Sarah Gigante, she won her first Tour Down Under title on the weekend. And Neve Bradbury and others.
How did you first discover this story?
So I've spent a number of years reporting on issues related to older Americans, and I've been particularly...
God damn it!
It's the perfect time to make some positive changes for your body and your health. If you've been enjoying a little too much food, too many sweets, and too much liquid cheer over the holidays, then you probably put a lot of stress on your liver. A great way to show your liver some love and to detox your system is simply adding Active Liver to your daily routine. Active Liver is one of many award-winning natural health products from New Nordic, the #1 supplier of dietary supplements in Scandinavia. Available as a tablet or delicious gummy, Active
that car just run into that?
Yes.
What the fuck? The when it actually fucking
built it. Without, yeah, I agree.
Well, those are the people that have. Are you?
You did not fucking stop. There was a stop sign.
Welcome to Vancouver, Brett.
She did not look like she was gonna stop either.
No, she didn't. Not like that. Oh, actually, that is pretty.
That's pretty common.